I'm going to show you how to do multiple levels here. Say this was my game and I want it to be that when I get to the exit, which is right here, I go to the next level. I'm going to add a couple of things to get started with that. Firstly, I need an exit. I'm pretty sure I've got a door in this asset pack, which I can use. There we go, door, add to the scene, and drag the door in. So I want it to be that when I get to the door, I go to a whole new level. So in my experience, the best way to do that is you go to this menu that I just showed you here. Sorry, I'll just click on that again because it's not intuitive. Project Manager menu. And as we go down, we've got our scenes. This scene by default is called Untitled Scene. So I'm going to firstly rename it and call it Main Scene because I don't like having it Untitled Scene. It just feels wrong to me. So main scene, and then I am going to say ... duplicate. Okay, so now I've got main scene 2, and I'm going to rename that as just scene 2. You don't have to rename them, but it's going to make your life much easier if you have like 10 scenes, which is not uncommon at all. So I've got scene 2 here, and just check what that looks like. Well, I duplicated the original scene, so obviously it works exactly the same. What I'll just do, I think, is I'll make it look a little bit different. I think I've still got this big background down here. Yeah, I'll drag that up over the top. Can you see that? Yeah, that's been dragged up over, that's behind the scene now. So it'll be pretty obvious when we get to scene 2 because it'll have the big background thing working. So I'm going to go back to scene 1, the main scene as I called it, and I need to work in the event sheet for this scene. So see how useful it is as well to name things sensibly because I know which event sheet goes with each scene and so on up here. So go to the event sheet and it's a nice simple collision event again. So add a new event, add the condition, big guy, collision with the door, collision with door, easy. And action is going to be, I'm going to change the scene, that's all. So under other actions, there is a scene, change the scene, and you select which scene, and it's going to be go to scene 2. Cool. So if I now go to main scene and preview that, we should see it work any moment, as soon as it loads. In the next video, I'll show you how to sort of have a little delay on it as well and just make it feel better. So I'll go there and boom, here I am in scene 2.